Hello everyone, welcome to ALM. Today I will introduce our miniature ball screw. The minimum diameter of our ball screw can be 4 mm. This ball screw diameter is 6 mm. Popular pitch are 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm. The ball screw will be equipped with our micro step motor. The ball screw efficiency is more than 19%. You can get C0, C1, C3, C5, C7 accuracy grade ball screw from us. Ball screw shaft and nut shape can be produced according to your requirement. The mini ball screw are widely used in 3D printers, robotics, medical equipment. Welcome to inquiry.